Hi, I'm Monique with Walker Tape. Today we have 5 steps to achieving the best possible bond with our tapes and adhesives. Step 1, the consultation. It's here where you get to learn exactly what your client wants. You also learn important details that affect bond performance, such as body chemistry, weather, and lifestyle. Step 2, the patch test. This is how you find out if a tape or adhesive will work on your client's skin. Step 3, clean surfaces. These include your hands, your client's hair, skin, and hair system. To achieve the best bond, wear gloves and use surface preparation products such as Bond Breaker shampoo and 99% alcohol. Step 4, scalp protectors. All 3 of the scalp protectors we offer help boost potential hold times. Step 5, the install. Mainly remember to press the system firmly into place. If you're using liquid adhesives, then this step should take 10 seconds. The pressure strengthens the bond between the system and your client. Visit our blog to find out more about our tapes and adhesives at walkertapeco.com.